Well, hi guys, how you doing? I'm back from DC and the rally was terrific and your name's made a big hit and look how big you got. Oh my goodness, look how big you are. Oh, Cipro, you're not doing so well? Levaquin, wake up, wake up. I know your brain problems, but wake up, little boy, wake up. Maybe I'll rename you back to your old names now that I'm back from DC. So Abigail, Adam, Annabelle, and Abraham. I don't know when I'll see you again, only because I really don't know how much more you're going to fit in here. Look how beautiful you are. Ooh, one flew away. One baby, 3. You're flying. Oh, wow. Look, you're flying. Okay. Bye. See you tomorrow.